Hi everyone, it's Ariel from Sphinx Financial Planning. Today I am going to show you how to find your Right Capital branded links. When you sign into your account, hit the settings wheel and then hit account on the top left. The first page that comes up is the profile, and if you look towards the bottom, you'll find your Right Capital Leads URL, which you can copy by hitting the button right here. This is a link that your leads will use to sign up for your Right Capital software, and it will have your firm's branding on the top left, like so. If you want to find the branded login link, or if you want to actually create your branding colors and add your logo, go ahead and hit the Customization tab, and you can add your logo and change your colors here. The link to the branded login page is right in the middle. Again, you can hit the copy button and it will automatically copy the link. I suggest you send this to your contacts and put it in the bottom of your email so it's easily accessed, or at the very least save it in a safe place that you know where to find it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful automation videos just like this one.